How to remove reposted videos on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application, and TikTok has this new feature, right, where you can actually repost videos. So let's say this video, what you want to do is on the right side is you will see an arrow or share icon there. Tap on that, and here you can repost the video. So let's just tap on repost here, confirm to repost, and as you can see, you have reposted this video. Now, to be able to remove that reposted video is on the bottom part. You will see profile there. Tap on your profile and it will lead you to your profile section. Now, the next thing that you want to do is in the middle part, you will see your feed area here, your private here, and you will see the middle part here. It's actually the videos that you repost that are actually visible to your friends. So as you can see here, you will see the recent one that we just reposted. So to be able to remove this reposted video is on the bottom part, the same thing that we did. Tap on the arrow icon there, and you will see here remove repost. Just tap on that, and now you have your repost has been removed. And basically that is how you remove reposted videos on TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.